Hello, so today is still my birthday weekend, so I've got a few desserts to pick up. Some free, I think some I gotta pay for, so I'm gonna go buy nothing but Bundt first to get my free little mini cake. And then after that, I'm gonna try this new, well, it's not new now, but it's gonna be new to me. A Peach Cobbler place, and I saw that they have strawberry and other ones too, so I'm gonna go by there and test that out. And then I'll probably go by Cheesecake Factory because every year I go by there and get a slice of, hopefully they have chocolate chip cookie dough cheesecake. And then tomorrow for lunch, I'm gonna use my $25 off discount at Fogo de Chao. And then there, they give you a free cheesecake for dessert on your birthday. I go by there probably a couple of times a year. It's not as good as it used to be before COVID, but a lot of things aren't. But I still go on my birthday because they send me a $25 off coupon, and I go at lunch because it's cheaper than going at dinner. So those are a few of the birthday freebies and things that I do, and if you don't know about those, they're available to you. There's also a free cone from Baskin-Robbins that they send you on your birthday. If you just sign up to these places' email letters, you get stuff like that. So some of you may know, some of you may not, but that's what I'm doing. I definitely wasn't expecting traffic to be 3 lanes, bumper to bumper. I guess there's an accident going on, but it's pretty bad for a Saturday. So it's gonna take me a little longer than I thought to get to the first spot. But hopefully after that, gets a little better so I can get back to the house and watch a little basketball. But we shall see.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Doing great. How are you? Good. I'm here to pick up a birthday mini bite cake. Thank you.
What do we think?
I think I'll just go with the regular lemon. Yep. And how much are the individual ones?
$6.39.
Okay. Because I think I have a buy one, get one free or something like that too. Hello, how are you? I think I'm gonna get a couple cobblers to go. I think I'm gonna try of course, the peach cobbler and a strawberry one.
Strawberry cobbler?
Yeah. And can you put the ice cream kind of on the side?
Yeah.
I brought a cooler, but I just want it on that. And let's see. I think that'll be it.
Just the peach cobbler and the strawberry cobbler?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
What's the name for your order?
Chris. So I'm back at home with all the stuff that I picked up free for my birthday, and then a couple of things that I actually paid for because I wanted to do a food review. So the first place I went to was nothing but Bundt. So I got a lemon Bundt cake. Lemon Bundt cake is my favorite, with icing, of course. But when I was there, they actually had a sale where you could buy one, get one free of the mini Bundt cake. So I might as well do that too. So I got a classic vanilla and a chocolate chip, and these were two for, it was $7 for these. So I ended up getting 3 Bundt cakes for $7 going by there. And then I got rewards for Chick-fil-A. So I went by there to get a Chick-fil-A sandwich. I just got the regular one this time. And this is actually from the Washington Wizards winning a game or something like that. But it was a free rewards in my Chick-fil-A app. So I got that. And then they sent me a free birthday rewards for a milkshake. So I ended up getting a chocolate milkshake as well. So, and tomorrow I'm going to Fogo de Chao for lunch because they sent me a $25 coupon for my birthday. So I'm going to use that. And then my sister sent me a $25 gift card for my birthday. So lunch tomorrow should pretty much be free. I usually go at lunchtime because it's cheaper than dinner time to Fogo de Chao. But when I was out, I also went by Cheesecake Factory to check to see if they had chocolate chip cookie dough, but they did not. So I think it's only the location at the mall out in McLean that has it, because that's the only place I see it, unfortunately. So maybe I should have just went out there. But I ended up getting the Oreo chocolate cheesecake with extra whipped cream because it's my birthday and I get extra whipped cream on my birthday. That's what I want. So that's what I got. So I'll probably end up taking one of these. I plan on going salsa dancing tonight. So if I might take one of these mini Bundt cakes there for them, because I don't want to gain all the weight back that I lost. And when I was also out, I went by a place that's Peach Cobbler, because I wanted to try it. For some reason, it came up in my I don't know if it was Instagram or something, but I make a strawberry pie or cobbler, and I love peach cobbler if it's made right. I hate it when it's runny. I hate runny peach cobbler, so I just wanted to check it out and try their peach and their strawberry and see how it compares. I thought about doing a food review there, but the music was so loud that you could barely hear yourself talk. And all that music would have been copyrighted because it was Beyonce and other people. So it just wasn't a good location to do a food review, and there was no seats outside or anything like that. So I just had to bring it back home once I gathered everything. So it's from a place in the Tacoma part of D.C., and it's the Peach Cobbler. And that's what that looks like. Let's see if I can get the camera right so you can get a view of it. So it looks good from there. So that's the peach. And then this is the strawberry. It's dripping a little bit, so I can't really show you that really good. But I'm going to give it it looks like real peach cobbler. Not with a biscuit or anything. If you make peach cobbler with a biscuit, I don't know what to tell you. So, it looks good. It's got the crust and everything. And each of these I got 2, and it was $20. So, it's a little bit steep. With the peach. It's actually delicious. Delicious. I absolutely approve of this. So that's the peach. Let me try the strawberry. And it looks pretty good. I'm gonna just take this strawberry off the top. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Mine's a little bit sweeter. But this is good. So I would definitely recommend this if you're in the Tacoma Park area, but I live in Maryland, so it took me about an hour to drive up there. But I guess it was worth it because it's actually delicious. So yeah. So this is a place that I will definitely leave a good Yelp review for. And if you're in the Tacoma area, I definitely say it's worth dropping by. But if you just want to drive up there and get it and you don't mind the drive, I would say it's worth it. So, I mean, to me, both of these should be $10. Me being a Southern person, I would say they're worth like $10, but it is the DC area, so prices are jacked up. But yeah, that's my food review of the Peach Cobbler Factory. So I'll see you in the next one.